All right, family, how you doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walks and Beyond. I'm your host Nitin, and today marks the end of the fifth day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge, and it's been going great so far. Just that I hurt my leg a bit. Actually, my leg was paining last night, and I've got a little blister under the foot. So let me try to see if I can fix that. I hope it doesn't get that bad to the point that I may have to, wait. But that's okay. So whenever you're gonna start any exercise, so what I've noticed from my experience is that whenever I've gone to the gym or went for a walk in the past, so first 2 days it's fine, and third, fourth, and fifth day is when it begins to start hurting a little bit. But after 2 or 3 days, it becomes absolutely fine. So whenever you're going to start any fitness regime, then don't worry. That's a part of the plan. It's a part of the process that the initial few days you're going to hurt a bit. Your body's going to, hurt a bit. But then after a while, it'll be fine. And that's the important part, that you don't have to stop there. You have to keep going, because that's your initial phase, like the first week or the first 10 days of your fitness program. That is when you're actually building up endurance. So this is the endurance build up week for me. So I'm gonna try to push myself as much as I can, and that's what you should also try to do whenever you start. So yeah, that's about it. And so again, it's I came in the afternoon today, and it's a very bright and sunny, warm afternoon. And so there's 2 more days to go to complete the first week before I switch to faster walking, brisk walking. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, remember the mantra: move more, eat less, or eat less, move more. So if you haven't started or you're planning to, don't think about it. It doesn't matter what time of the day. Getting out and burning yourself is more important. So whether you come in the evening or you come in the day in the sun, it doesn't matter. It's only better if you come in the day. So I hope this helps you. So see you tomorrow in the next video, and take care. Bye bye. All right, thank you for joining, whosoever joined. I can see 2 there. Singar, it's Gopal. Gopal ji, क्या हाल है, कैसा है गया? Thank you for joining. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the likes. In case you have not followed or subscribed to the channel on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So I'll be coming up with more interesting updates about the routine. Just having a little fun with the camera. Don't mind that. I like experimenting with my camera a lot. Not that bad. I wanted to push myself a little further today, but because of that foot thing right foot thing. I'm not gonna try that. Hopefully, if things get better tomorrow, day after, then I'll try to push myself beyond, because I think I have built up enough endurance in the 4 or 5 days that there's less consumption of water. Yesterday I had to refill this for some reason. Day before I didn't, but today it's the same amount of water that I brought with myself from home. So as you can see, it is still there, less than half. So doing great. There is an absolutely smooth stretch coming up ahead. It's probably 100 meters or something. The best thing I love about parks like these is, of course, the track. It's not a cement or a hard track. It's a soft gravel track, and because of the size and the area of the park, it is also quite empty. You get a lot of space to walk and move around. Of course, except for the busy hours, you gotta avoid that. But it's also very refreshing because there's a lot of greenery out here. As you can see, it is absolutely lush green. It's almost like a jungle. It's more of a hybrid park along with the jungle. So that's what I love about it. That's the kind of places that I like. Also, when I'm traveling, I'm more of a mountain guy. I prefer mountain trips or mountain roads, nature above all. So you get fresh oxygen, which is also very important and good for your health. Okay, time to go back. Signing off. Bye bye.